Welcome to Simple Vego. Today we will be baking oats banana cookie using just these 3 ingredients. Let's get started. Okay guys, so first what we're going to do, we're going to remove the skin from the banana and put it in our bowl. You're going to ensure that the banana have this color. This means that it is well ripe, right? And once it's like this, you know it's going to be very sweet, because for this ingredient we won't be using any other sweetener different from the banana or using any sugar. It's just the banana will be the sweetener. Okay, so next we're going to crush bananas. You can just use a fork or any other thing that you think you can use to crush these. So I'm just gonna continue to crush these bananas until I get a like watery consistency. Okay guys, so at this time I'll add the salt. This is just a pinch of salt, and we'll now add the oats. This is 1 cup of oats, and this is 1/4 cup, so 1 1/4 cup of oats. Okay, so what's basically happening here, the oats will be absorbing the crushed banana itself, right? And at the same time it will be soaking, right? This is quick oats, so the oats will get softened even quicker, because it's not the rolled oats I'm using. I don't have the rolled oats today. But you can use rolled oats if that's what you have, okay? Okay, so you're gonna have something like this. So this is like a cookie texture. All right, so guys, what I'm gonna do now, it's not a part of the ingredients, it's really optional, right? I have here, right, pecan and flaxseed. Okay, these 2 are optional, you don't have to put them in, but it's up to you if you want to. For me, I want to put these inside. Okay, so I have these pecan, it's 1 tablespoon. So I'm just gonna chop these pecans and add them to the mixture I have there for the cookies. Okay, so you just pour in your chopped pecans in the mixture, and you just mix that thoroughly. This is a very quick recipe, guys. Okay guys, so I have a baking sheet here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add these cookies to the baking sheet. can just drop them to whatever size that you desire. Okay guys, so this is the last set to shape before we put it in the oven. Okay guys, so this is the finishing of our banana oat cookies. These are very nutritious guys, and they are very tasty as well. Okay guys, so I got 12 cookies from the batch that I made. These cookies are really lovely and they are tasty, and they are packed with nutrients that your body really need. Enjoy and see you in the next video.